Good morning, friends. Do you know what we're learning about this week? We're learning about fairy tales. Do you know what one of my favorite fairy tales are? It's the Three Little Pigs. We are going to do an experiment to see which things are heavier or lighter, or what will blow down from things that the little pigs use to protect themselves from the big bad wolf. First, we have some straw. It's pretty light and thin and it bends really easy. Let's see if we could build a house and see what will happen if we try to blow it over. So we'll put some right here, put some right here. Let's try to go like this. All right, do you think that if I blow it, do you think it'll blow down or do you think it'll stay up? Let me know. Ready? 1, 2, 3, I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house down. Oh, it fell down. Let's see what the sticks are going to do if we build a house out of it. All right. Let's see. Put our sticks just like this. All right, let's see what's gonna happen. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow my house down. Oh, it fell. So that's not a very good one either to protect you from the big bad wolf. Now, the third little pig, do you remember what he used? He used his house out of bricks, but we don't have bricks, so we're gonna use rocks instead. So let's see if we build out of these rocks a little house, if it'll get knocked over. Let's see, go like this, and we could put one here, and maybe one on the top. Nope. Okay, put one here. All right, friends, are you ready to huff and puff? Do you want to huff and puff with me? Go 1, 2, 3. Nothing happened. Let's try it again. I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow my house down. Nothing's happening. So let's see. This is the only house that did not fall over because our straw is light, so it's very flimsy and it goes wherever it wants if it gets blown down. And same with our sticks. They're a little bit heavier than the straw, but they're a little bit heavier, just like that. But the hardest is the rocks.